You can hire a horse buggy to reach Edfu temple. This is a very thrilling experience. The early morning ride gives me immense pleasure. The Temple of Edfu is an Egyptian temple located on the west bank of the Nile in Edfu. The Temple of Horus. The city was known in the Hellenistic period after the chief god Horus, who was identified as Apollo under the Greek mythology. It is one of the best preserved shrines in Egypt. The inscription on its wall provide important information on language, myth and religion during Hellenistic period in Egypt. The temple was built in the Ptolemaic kingdom. There are also important scenes and inscription of the sacred drama, which was related to the old age conflict between god Horus and Seth. The Luxor temple is the largest ancient Egyptian temple complex located on the east bank of the Nile River in the city today known as Luxor. At the Luxor temple, there are two obelisks at the entrance which were not on the same height, but they were created in such a way that it creates an illusion that they are on the same size. In the rear of the temple, there is a chapel built by Amenhotep III in the 18th dynasty and Alexander. Unlike the other temples in Thebes, Luxor temple is not dedicated to a cult god. Instead, Luxor temple is dedicated to the rejuvenation of kingship. It may have been where many of the pharaohs of Egypt were crowned in reality. The other part of the temple were built by Tutankhamun and Ramesses II. In Roman times, the temple and its surroundings were a military fortress and the residence of Roman government in the area.